Hello everyone. In this pre-class video, we will try to understand what is actually while loop. Okay, and this pre-class video will help you to like understand the complete live session. Okay, and we will build on that. Okay, so first of all, let's try to understand what is actually while loop. So basically, while loop. So first of all, let's try to understand what are loops. Okay, loop basically means whenever we want to repeat a task. Okay, so I can say that repeating a task. Whenever you are repeating a task, so basically there we used to use the this loops. Okay, so suppose if I give you a real life example, so you know that like if you go to the Ghana app, Spotify, okay, any like music app, or you also go to the YouTube. Okay, so there you will find the option of loop. Okay, whenever you want to listen that thing in a loop, so in that case what is happening, that task, whatever song is actually in a repeat, that song, whatever you are listening, it is actually in a repeat. Okay, it will repeat one, two, three, like multiple times till the time when you are not stopping it. Okay, so now you can say that like here I'm repeating the one task again and again. Okay, so what is actually the task in programming? Suppose if I'm saying that you need to print hello world, print hello world. Suppose this is your task, then how will you write? So you will write in this manner: console.log, console.log hello world, console.log hello world. So this is the way how will you write the basically hello world if you want to like print it. But now if I'm saying that you need to write print the hello world 5 times, if you need to print the hello world 5 times, then how will you do it? So basically you need to write the console.log 5 times, console.log hello world, console.log hello world. Okay, console.log hello world. So basically what I'm doing, I'm writing this console.log hello world like 5 times. So 4 and 5. So can you see that I have written it 5 times? So now if I want to repeat the same task 5 times, then I need to write it manually. But now this is very hectic. This is a very tedious job. The reason is that what if I give you a tomorrow, I will give you the task of writing hello world 500 times or maybe 5,000 times, then it will, then you won't write this thing in a way, in this manner. Okay, this is a very inefficient way and very painful way that you will keep on writing console.log hello world, hello world, hello world. So that's why if I talk about loops, okay, loops actually solve our this problem. So the kind of loop which we are going to learn first is the while loop. Okay, we also have other type of loop. Okay, tomorrow we'll learn about for loop, but right now today's session we will understand while loop. So now if I'm talking about while loop, if I'm talking about while loop, there are three things which is very important. Okay, there are three things which is very important. First, you need to define the start of the loop. Start of the loop. Whenever you are writing the while loop syntax, you need to define like three things. First, start of the loop. The second thing which you need to define is like till when the loop will run. Till when the loop will run. Till when the loop will run. Okay. And the third thing is basically we used to call it how many jump you are making. How many jump you are making. I'll tell you what is it all about. But the first thing is the start of the loop, till when the loop will run, and how many jump you are making. So now if I'm writing the syntax of while loop, so it is actually like this. It is similar like if, while, brackets, and this is actually blocks. So this is the syntax of while loop. Now understand one thing, like similar like if, while actually also contain, while also make the decision based on the Boolean value. Okay, so now if I just tell you that where these three things actually come, so you need to understand this first thing used to come here, where you used to do the initialization. Okay, here we used to define our start of the loop. Here we used to define our start of loop. Now the second thing is this one. Okay, second this one. Here I used to define till when the loop will run. Till when the loop will run. Here we used to define that part. And here we used to write our code. Here we used to write our code. And after that, you need to write here how many jumps you are making. The third thing, how many jump you are making. Now, this is the way how actually these things are placed in this while loop. And according to that, this loop will start and it will keep on running. So now understand one thing, like what is the way how it actually runs. So if I'm saying while, this is the thing. So I'll give the numbering to it. So here it is my, you can say that start of loop. Okay. Here I'll give this a name as condition. Okay. Using this condition, this loop will like go inside this one. And now here I'll put my, it is known as my code. And after that, basically here I used to call it as like how many jumps I'm making, how many jump I'm making. So basically I used to give this name as an increment or decrement. Increment or decrement. I'll tell you later what is all about. Now, so first of all, I'll give this as a numbering. This is a 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Now, what is the sequence of running the code? The sequence of running the code is first the 1 is actually execute, this one. And after that, it will come to 2. After that, it will come to 3 when this condition is true. And after that, it will come to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, after that, when the 4 is done, it will again come to the condition. Okay, it will again come to the condition 2, 3, 4. Again 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So sequence is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Like in this sequence, it actually execute 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Like in this manner, it will keep on executing. This is how actually while loop basically runs. Okay, this is how actually while loop runs. So you just need to understand this pattern: 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and loop will like start and it will go. Okay, you will understand that till which point it will actually keep on 2, 3, 4. So now if I want to write, if I want to print hello, if I want to print hello world 5 times, if I want to print hello world 5 times, if I want to run the write, if I want to write the code for that, so I'll write here. Okay, so first of all, I'll write where I equal to 1. This is my starting of the loop. After that, I'll write while, okay, till when the loop will run. So I'm saying that I want to run this loop till I less than equal to 5. Till the point when the I is less than equal to 5, keep on running the loop. And here I will run console.log hello world. Console.log hello world. And after that, what I will do, I will write I equal to I plus 1. Every time I need to make the jump off, basically I need to increment it to from 1, I will make it to 2. So the sequence of running the code is first this one run, this will run, the second this will run, the third this will run, and from fourth it will come to this fourth part. Okay, I'm calling this as my code. Now again from fourth it will come to 2. So now the sequence will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, like in this manner. Okay, so let's see the dry run of this one. Then you will get the better understanding. Okay, so suppose if I'm writing while where I equal to 1, okay, while I less than equals to 5, and if I write console.log hello world, okay, now in this case, and after that I'll write I equal to I plus 1. So this is the code. Now I'll just show you. I'll create a table. Okay. And here you already know that this is my 1, this is my 2, this is my 3, and this is my 4. So I'll also write in this manner: 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what I need to write? I will write here I equal to 1. What is 2 is containing? I less than equals to 5. Now third is containing. Basically, I will call it as a code. Fourth is containing I equal to I plus 1. Okay. So if you want, I can also write here is console.log hello world. Hello world. Okay. So I'll create this table. Now let's see how the hello world actually works. So now in this case, I will execute in this pattern. So the first one is actually got execute. So you already know the cycle. Okay, so you already know the cycle. The cycle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. So now let's start from the one by one. So first we'll come to 1. So when we'll come to 1, so I will write here I equal to 1. Now I'll come to the second part. So it will come to the 2. It will write here, check here. 1 is less than equal to 5. Since I value is 1, 1 is less than equal to 5. That is true. If it is true, then it will come to the next one. So you need to understand when it is true, only it will come to the next one. So now it will go to the third. So when it will go to the third, it will print hello world. Okay. Now after that, it will go to the fourth. Fourth is I equal to I plus 1. So whatever was the I value, 1. 1 plus 1, that is true. Now after executing the fourth, now it will come to 2. 2 basically means again it will come to this part, and again it will check 2 less than equals to 5. That is true. Now also follow here 1, 2, 3, 4. With 2, 3, 4. Now after that again it will check hello world. Okay, this is 3. So it has come to 3. Now after that it will come to 4. When it will come to the fourth line, so I equal to I plus 1. So that will become 3. Again it will come to 2. So now it will come to 2. Now you can see that 3 is less than equals to 5. That is true. After that it will come to 3. Now you will write hello world. Now after that it will come to 4. That is I will become 4. Now again the cycle of 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4 is it will remain continue. Okay, after that 4, now I'll come to the second part. So you will write 4 is less than equals to 5. That is true. And I will come to the third point, that is hello world. Okay, and now after that I'll come to the fourth point, that is I equal to 5. After that I'll again come to the 2 part. So 5 is less than equals to 5. That is true. Okay, now after that I'll write hello world. I'll come to the third point. Okay, after that I'll come to the fourth point. So it will be I equal to 6. After that it will again come to the second point where I will write 6 is less than equal to 5. So you already know that this is actually false. This is false. So if it is false, it will come out of the loop. So you can see that this is how this is actually running, and this picture will explain you how the loop is actually working and how it is running in this sequence 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, like 1 2 3 4 2 3 4. It is not coming to 1 again. So if I just show you in a replit, if I want to execute, I will write where I equal to 1 while I less than equals to 5. Okay, and here you will understand that I will write console.log hello world. Okay, and after that I will write I equal to I plus 1. Just by looking at the table, you will understand that how that thing is actually working. So if I run it, just 1 second, node. Okay, so you can see that it is running 5 times. Okay, so the dry run is here. This is what it actually following. Okay, so this is for all, that's all for this pre-class video. Okay, so it will help you to understand the complete topic in a live session. Okay, thank you all.